In this video, we are going to show you the top 5 best headlamp for hunting in the marketplaces. We have selected them based on their quality, performance, and price. We've made a research for sufficient time to find out them. If you are trying to find out which headlamp for hunting is the best, here is the video for you. Stay with the video till last. After watching this video, you can simply pick the right one. Check the description for links to find out the price of the items included in this video. So, let's start. Starting of our list at number 5, EverBrite Lumens Headlight. 7 illumination settings. The EverBrite headlamp is equipped with a memory setting that saves the illumination setting for the following switch on. The headlamp includes 7 various illumination modes, and its double buttons manage CREEXPE LED high, tool, reduced, strobe as well as COB illumination white, red, environment friendly, allowing optimum lighting for any kind of circumstance. Superior illumination. With 350 lumens of power, the headlamp can easily find a distance of 196 feet for an optimum of 3 hours, and also distance illumination can release up to 200 lumens, which gives you a big location of light for any kind of nighttime mission. Ideal for outdoor activities, the headlamp is ideal for basic usages such as camping, hiking, climbing, fishing, and more. IPX4 water resistance rated and 1 meter impact resistance checked to make it long-lasting and also climate-worthy. Furthermore, it has an emergency situation whistle. Here is the item number 4, Danforce LED Head Lamp. Developed in the US, the Danforce headlamp is a top-quality LED headlamp. IPX45 water, dust, and also damage resistance. Intense headlamp, high 1080 lumens creates 4 light settings, high, low, tool, strobe. A traffic signal headlamp and flexible 90-degree head flashlight makes it perfect for any type of tactical use. Multifunctional equipment conveniently adjust emphasis lights for looking at the outdoors when outdoor camping. Zoomable emphasis provides optimum lightning accuracy for the job. Functions flawlessly as a construction hat light. Tactical headlamp with traffic signals for fishing, hunting, and any other heavy duty. Customized made convenience. This headlamp isn't simply difficult, it's likewise made for maximum convenience. Delight in temperature level control, thanks to the sweat-resistant headband. Its adjustable sizing makes it a custom-made headlight for your head. The item number 3, EverBrite Lumens Headlight. 7 light settings. The headlamp features 7 various illumination settings, and its dual buttons regulate CREEXPG LED high, medium, reduced, or strobe as well as COB lighting white, red, or environment friendly, permitting ideal illumination for any kind of scenario. Superior illumination. With 300 lumens max setting of power, the headlamp can conveniently identify a range of 328 feet for a maximum of 2.25 hours, and also closeness lights can produce as much as 180 lumens, which offers you a big area of light for any kind of nighttime goal. Suitable for outdoor activities, the headlamp is excellent for general use such as outdoor camping, hiking, climbing, fishing as well as more. IPX4 water resistance rated and 1 meter 3-to-1 or 4 effect resistance tested to make it long-lasting as well as weather worthwhile. Additionally, it has an emergency whistle, as well as a red flashing taillight on the back that is developed especially for evening joggers. Lightweight and totally flexible. The lightweight design, only 3 to 9 or 16 ounces with batteries, in addition to a flexible headband, will certainly make it comfortable to use for long periods of time. Number 2 in our list, Energizer LED Head Lamp. Super bright LED, brightens as much as 80 meters with a 260 lumen light beam of LED light in a high setting. This headlight can illuminate the room or the campground effortlessly. Maximum resilience, features a sturdy building and construction that holds up against a 1 meter drop test, a shatterproof lens, as well as a waterproof IPX4 rated body, making this headlight the best rugged friend both inside as well as outdoors. 7 functional modes, offers 7 light modes, red, high, reduced, place high, place low, large high, and broad reduced. Convenient smart dimming innovation manages light intensity. With functional modes, you'll have ideal illumination for almost any scenario. Long runtime, long-lasting and effective with up to 35 hours of LED light in a low setting. so you have the reputable power and also the light you need. The perfect backup light in case of power failures. Energizer Power. This LED headlamp works on 3 Energizer Max AAA batteries, so you have the power and presence you need, the best out of the package. The top one in our list, GearLight LED headlamp. Super bright. These powerful hands-free LED camping lights to create a fantastic, long-lasting light beam with daytime color as well as definition. They also have a runtime of approximately 10+ hours. Adjustable comfort. The detachable, cleanable, as well as an adjustable headband on this LED headlamp conveniently fit adults as well as children alike. Considering only 3 ounces with batteries, it is the optimal headlight for exterior adventurers. Versatile style. Our costs headlights are developed with a 45-level flexible head to route light exactly where you require it. Choose from 7 different lighting modes from white strobe to red beam for safety and security. Climate resistant, water resistant and shockproof. The S500 headlamp flashlight is suitable for rain or snow, inside your home or outdoors. Included at the top of your operating, hiking and also camping devices list. Value load. Each order includes 2 S500 GearLight headlights. Shop one in your cars and truck or keep one at home. Check the description for links to find out the price of the items included in this video. Hope you found this video helpful to find out the best headlamp for hunting amongst a lot of items. If you found this helpful, please give a like, comment your valuable opinion, and tell us which one is perfect for you. Subscribe to our channel to get the latest updates on different product reviews.